Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Life Hack Central. Today, I'm about to open up a treasure chest of secrets. If you've ever dreamt of building a wonderful home but got spooked by the costs, I've got your back. By the time we're done here, you'll have enough tips to get you through your next home construction project without burning a hole in your pocket. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Tip number 1. Soil secrets. Every great home starts with a solid foundation. Before you even think about laying the first brick, get that soil tested. You see, the type of soil can dramatically affect construction costs. Find a sweet spot, and you're golden. Think about it like gardening. The right soil can make or break your plants. Tip number 2, the magic of prefab. Now, I can almost hear the groans, but hold on a second. Modern prefab homes aren't what they used to be. They're now stylish, durable, and guess what? They're often much cheaper. It's akin to those instant noodles. Add your own touch, and voila, you've got a gourmet dish. Tip number 3, become a bargain detective. Imagine you're a detective, but instead of hunting down culprits, you're hunting bargains. Wholesale shops and salvage yards can be goldmines. If you dig deep, you might find materials that are not only affordable but also unique. It's like finding a rare book in a second-hand bookstore, thrilling and cost-effective. Tip number 4, master the art of negotiation. In the construction world, the listed price isn't always the final price. When you're presented with a cost, take a deep breath, channel your inner haggler, and ask, can we do better? It's a game of numbers, and you might just score a winning goal. Tip number 5, timing is everything. Starting your project and everyone else is building. Rookie mistake. Contractors tend to give discounts during their less busy times. It's similar to shopping during sales. Why pay full price when you can get a discount? Tip number 6, elegance in simplicity. A complex design can empty your wallet fast. But a simple, elegant design, that can save you money while still looking fabulous. Think of it like a classic black dress or a crisp white shirt, timeless, stylish, and always in vogue. Hold on, before we go further, if you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. Also, our previous video on home features is a gem you don't want to miss. Go give it a look after this. Tip number 7, roll up those sleeves. DIY doesn't mean you're cheap, it means you're resourceful. Tasks like painting, landscaping, or even tiling can be done with a bit of learning and elbow grease. Remember the first time you baked a cake? With a bit of effort, it probably turned out delicious, didn't it? Same concept. Tip number 8, upcycling is upcoming. Don't just throw away old stuff. With a bit of creativity, your old belongings can become part of your new home. That old ladder, a unique bookshelf, those old jars, elegant light fixtures. It's about seeing potential where others see trash. Tip number 9, prioritize for the long haul. While shiny faucets are nice, energy-efficient systems are nicer. Always think long-term. Where can you save money in the coming years? It's like investing in a good mattress. The comfort and savings on chiropractor bills, priceless. Tip number 10, stay informed. Finally, always stay updated. Research. Learn about new materials, technologies, and techniques. Knowledge, in this case, isn't just power, it's savings. By now, I hope you're armed with the knowledge to approach your home construction project with newfound confidence. But before we wrap up, I've got a question for you. In your dream home, which room or feature is non-negotiable? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more life-changing hacks. Remember, while life doesn't come with a guidebook, with a few smart hacks, you can navigate it like a champ. Until next time, stay smart and keep